It's amazing weather. Lovely. Look at all that. Fucking wet in it. So, love the dog's ambience. We are filming with a tripod. This is kind of a test video. And go over to your quality settings. You might find a bit of a surprise there if everything goes right. I have a 16GB card in it. And I'm filming in 4K. So I'm wondering, we have a 30 megapixel, I guess. We're running a Leica lens and a Panasonic Lumix. So I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm running the Stereo tripod. And this one has touchscreen, so I can just kind of point at where I want it to focus. It is getting wet though, but that's kind of what I meant it for, except like not really. So I'm not gonna film too long, and I'll actually bring you inside a bit. Yeah, it's raining pretty badly, let's just say that. As far enough out of the rain as I'm comfortable with. So you can really see, you can hear, that's actually a bucket. Let's just zoom in more. That's maximum zoom, but it's analog, so I'm happy. See the rain droplets on there. Not really level, are we? Yo, those are a lot of droplets of rain. Are there any on the lens? Of course there are fucking drops on it. There went the ads, which is nice, I hope. Since I don't like ads. You can clearly see. I'm not gonna push this card too much since I really don't know my time limit. It's only 16GB. Just a random card I found. It's very nice. Surprisingly small camera. People always have a surprised face when I tell them the price I paid for this thing. You can search it up and you'll know. It's a Lumix, Panasonic Lumix, I don't know the model number. If it weren't for the touchscreen, you would think this is a standard 2000s camera. It isn't. It's got a nice flash on it, and I don't use flash or whatever. It's got a focal range adjustment, which I don't know what it does. I'm gonna... Damn. I knew the weather was bad, but I wasn't expecting it to be this bad. Since, fun fact, I need to leave with the bicycle for work at 7 AM. So I hope the weather's nicer than thunderstorms, since otherwise we're gonna have to plan ahead a bit in terms of getting there without being fried. I hope I caught that on camera. I hope the shutter speed was quick enough. The low light is actually very nice. It's more than my Nikon, a lot more. It would suffer now. It's even on video, but this one has really nice microphones. Let me bring you closer again. I'm really getting used to this. So this is the first test footage for me